In this video, we're going to show you how to change the coil in an MCG 65 amp contactor. This process is going to be the same for all MCG 3-pole contactors. First, you're going to need to locate the 2 screws on the contactor, one right here on the bottom, one here on the top. And then simply, it'll just come apart. You'll have the top half and the spring. Then you'll just take out your coil, take that out, and then you're going to replace it with your new one. It'll just drop right in like that. You're going to take your top half of the contactor, place your spring, make sure it's secured properly in there, put it back together, tighten your 2 screws, tighten them down, make sure it's secure, and you're done. That's how you change a coil on an MCG 3-pole contactor.
Contactors, along with hundreds of other products, are available at mcg-usa.com.